Another one of my services is doing virtual tours. This is called a Matterport camera, and it uses their technology, which is eye-opening. It takes a very high-resolution panoramic image of a scene and then puts it together in a virtual tour. You can even zoom out and show what looks like a virtual floor plan, or what they call the dollhouse view. And then you can pick a room and then zoom in and take a tour around the room. It's a very high-end presentation. I'm very happy to be able to offer it in this area.